Hey, welcome to another episode of the Druid's Bees. It's a big day for us. We have our bee buses with our packages, and it's a beautiful day here in Alaska. It is April
19th,
and the bees are going in. April 19th, that's bicycle day.
Today's bicycle day. I'm going to get on one in a little bit as soon as the queens go in and the bees are in.
Bicycle and bee day. All right, so we've both been studying for the Heroes to Hives program. It's a free program for veterans and their families. And so I've been watching a lot of videos from those guys, been watching a lot of videos from the the Midnight Sun Sustainable Beekeeping Club. And I think it's nothing left to do at this point, honey, but pull the trigger, right?
Go for it.
All right, let's do this thing.
So, do these go under or over? I guess it goes under.
So over.
Over?
Yeah.
Oh. Why are you taking it out?
To give them some space to fall into.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
So vice grip on the can.
Right there.
Oh, I didn't anticipate that.
They'll come out that way.
Yeah. Oh God,
What did you falling out?
I just dropped the queen.
What?
I'll take this cap off. Now, these tabs are supposed to pop off.
Is this it?
This is it.
Okay. Holy cow. Holy cow.
I did forget one thing. We need a can opener. This has,
They're in there.
see, they crawl into that hole.
Oh,
We need to get a can opener and get these guys out of here.
they won't just crawl out? They won't just
It'd be easier if we just cut them out with a can
can opener.
opener.
Holy cow, they're in there.
I totally forgot that part. All right, now these guys go back.
Listen to all that buzzing. Stay in there, guys. Stay in there.
Hmm?
I was covering up the hole. You believe it?
You're running around in there? And so I'll wait till she's at the bottom. Don't want to skewer her. Oh, we gotta take the cap off. So using this deep as a funnel. Let me pry this sucker open again.
I think a few of them followed me into the garage.
Probably. You ready for up close? Ready?
Go for it. Oh my God.
All right, let's open this now. We can just dump these guys straight in there. Where'd that can opener go? Oh, I think that worked.
I heard it.
Bees! Be free! Oh.
So eventually the sugar water leaks out? Like how does it?
No, those holes in the bottom, they stick there.
Oh, they drink from that.
Yeah. Yeah, so then that spacer will let them come up underneath it. And then so they can fill up that space, they'll go under there and then take it down and pass it down. And yeah. Be interesting tomorrow. We'll take a peek and see how much they've drank down out of that.
Oh, I say let them be. Wait a couple days, right? You don't want to disturb them.
I want to look at them.
Like let them set up. No, that's just let them wait a couple days because they're not going to eat it in a couple days. The less fuss, the better. Let them establish themselves.
This little guy's fanning away over here.
Fanning?
Yeah, look at him. Moving air. Well, ladies, welcome home. This is the Northwind Homestead. We're going to put a whole bunch of flowers in the ground for you. There's going to be some really good clover over by the garden. And as soon as the ground is thawed, I'm going to make you guys a much nicer little bench to sit on than this. This is just temporary.